company.
Come here, I want to show you guys.
We got
The drive
company.
shaft fell off actually, the front, but I think this whole time it was like that, but it performs very well actually. I didn't even notice it was like two-wheel drive or what. However, the steering is still not bad. I just have to trim those up that I show you in the last video, like right here, these ones. You guys see these brake pads actually. I have to little bit trim so that way it gives a more turning radius. Okay, hopefully we're just gonna give another round or two, and we're gonna go all the way down and we will show you how beautiful this area is actually. Look at this beautiful location everybody's enjoying today. Alright, so we're gonna end the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Actually, follow my Instagram as well. I'm gonna put it on the screen right now, and I mean like hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and we're gonna stop it because we have to go all the way down. Thank you guys. Okay, time to wash the dirty boys. Only the tires.